work together from the different backgrounds. Whether you're from Limpopo, KZN, Gauteng, Eastern Cape, whether you're an Afrikaner, an Englishman, Indian, Hindu, Muslim, Memon, I know my stuff, right? Whether you are Jewish, Christian, we are all in this together. And I think we need to understand that, and we need to stop making excuses for the situation we find ourselves in, because we should all take a shared responsibility, as Tracy had said. So the diversity, what is seen as a weak point, should actually be taken as a strong point in the time we live in today, because the world is looking to us to once again rise to the occasion as South Africans, to resolve matters and be the example in the world as we've always been. The next thing I'll speak about is where we're at in our society today, and I don't think it's a mistake. I think this is a point in history that has been in the making for a very long time. It's not by accident, it's not by default, it's by design. I think everything that has happened over the past 150 years, 200 years, everything that's happened in the past 30 years has led us to this point where we all look at each other and say, what next? How do we resolve these issues? How do we get back on track? How do we strengthen our economy? How do we educate our children? How do we educate ourselves? How do we fit into what South Africa should be on a global stage? This is where we find ourselves today. And as much as we're going into the elections, there's a lot of negativity. We've just come from an unfortunate period with the social unrest a few months ago. I think it's our society telling us, guys, we're at this point. How we deal with these issues is how this country is going to be shaped for the next 50 to 100 years. And me getting involved in politics, and we had this discussion with Tracy on the Zoom call, I think touches upon a lot, and I said a lot in this book as well from my contribution. And I'm sure there are others that will feel the same way. We need to do things differently. I think we've been following the same trend. We've been trying to charter a path that has been charted before. And we're here to say, no, it's not going to happen like that. We're not going to do that any longer. We're going to do things the way we see fit. We're going to do things the way we want to do it.